Hey everyone, it's Wale here, MindBody Breakthrough. A quick update about the coronavirus situation with regards to our workshops. People have been calling us all over the place through the office, asking us if the workshops are still taking place. We want to let you know that the workshops are still running as scheduled. We are following the government advice with regards to gatherings. At the moment, small gatherings are allowed. And I just wanted to know that if you've registered for any workshop, be prepared to come in. I was in Brighton yesterday. We have a fantastic time. We have a live stream going on as well for those who couldn't come in. So that's another option. If you can't come in, you could join through the live stream because we're streaming it live. And we'll give you the link just about 15-20 minutes before the event starts. You just have to click the link, and it's through the YouTube platform, and you can just start to watch. And it's incredible. People enjoyed it. So the day before, we were in Croydon, and one of our trainers was in Northampton. So we were doing stuff. We're helping people. There's no any other time so important to focus on our mental wellness and anxiety situation than the time that we're in right now. The coronavirus epidemic is very strong. We know that. We're not going to minimize that. At the same time, the media is streaming down our throats, our mind. The intensity of anxiety. It's like people are telling us they're having panic attacks. They don't know what's going to happen. So what I want you to know is that it's good to take all the precautions. Wash your hands. Listen to the government advice. If you have a fever, self-isolate. But you do not want fear to paralyze you. Many people are being gripped, being crippled by fear, catastrophizing, just blowing everything out of proportion. So I want to advise you to calm down, take all the precautions, but hold on to your faith. Don't let the fear destroy your mental wellness or your possibility for adaptation. So Wale Oladipo, all our workshops are going on. You can access it through coming in, and we have ant gel on site, a reception also inside the room, and we have all the hotels or the conference centers are taking absolute precautions to be able to make sure that people are safe. And also we have the live stream possibility. Also, if you can't make the live stream, we can send you the video. So what we want you to do is to connect, get booked up. Go on the Facebook page, MindBody Breakthrough, click event. If you access through your laptop or your computer, you can see all the events, all the workshops going on throughout the United Kingdom. But if you access through your mobile phone, it only gives you about 4 or 5 events. And also you could go on the website, mindbodybreakthrough.net, mindbodybreakthrough.net. There's a calendar just in front of you on the main page. And you can figure out which event is close to you. So Wale Oladipo, hold on to your faith. Faith. What is faith? Faith is finding answers in the heart. Faith. Finding answers in the heart. We are well resourceful, and we can gather together. We can continue to encourage each other as we beat this virus. All the very best. Share this if you want to encourage somebody that might be contemplating of coming. Maybe they don't want to come because of the situation. So it's Wale Oladipo clarifying our positions with regards to the coronavirus and our workshops. And all the very best. Speak to you soon.